Welcome. In this video, we're going to explore how you can claim military discounts online, making the most of your hard-earned benefits. First, let's understand the verification process. This step is crucial to ensure you receive all your discounts accurately. Choose trusted platforms for verification. Some well-known services ensure your information is secure and recognized by retailers. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step guide for verification. Be ready with your military ID and other necessary documents. Once verified, navigate through online retailers that proudly offer military discounts. Many stores value your service. Using your verified status, applying discounts at checkout is easy. Just enter your code and watch the savings stack up. Let's cover some common mistakes to avoid. Not all retailers accept military ID, so always double-check. To maximize your savings, combine discounts with sales, and always keep an eye out for special promotions. For further assistance, visit these websites and use the contacts provided to ensure you're getting the best deals available. Thank you for watching. Don't hesitate to take advantage of these military discounts and increase your savings in 2025.